Ever bought crypto on another exchange and want to transfer it to Kraken? Maybe you're finally ready to stake your coins or explore Kraken's advanced trading features. But first, you need to get your crypto onto Kraken. That's where deposit addresses come in. Think of a deposit address like your unique bank account number for crypto. Every cryptocurrency has its own unique address, and you'll need this address to send funds from another wallet or exchange to your Kraken account. Why is this important? Security. Using the correct deposit address is crucial for ensuring your funds reach your Kraken account safely and securely. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of your funds. Speed. The correct deposit address ensures your funds are credited to your Kraken account quickly and efficiently. Accuracy. Using the wrong address can lead to delays, complications, and potentially irreversible loss of your funds. Let's dive in. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. Go to the Kraken website, kraken.com, and log in using your email address and password. Navigate to funding. Once logged in, hover your mouse over funding in the top navigation bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select deposit from the drop-down. Choose the cryptocurrency. You'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies supported by Kraken. Find and click on the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Select Deposit again. On the next page, you'll see options like Deposit and Withdraw. Click on Deposit again. View your deposit address. Kraken will display your unique deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency. This address might be a long string of letters and numbers, or it might be represented as a QR code for easy scanning. Copy your deposit address. Carefully copy the entire deposit address. You can usually do this by clicking on the Copy button or highlighting and right-clicking to copy. Send your funds. Now, go to the exchange or wallet where you currently hold your cryptocurrency. Initiate a withdrawal or send funds transaction. Paste the copied Kraken deposit address into the recipient address field. Double-check the address for any errors before confirming the transaction. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount and recipient address. Confirm the transaction by following the instructions on the sending platform. Track your deposit. Once you've initiated the transaction, you can usually track its progress on the Blockchain Explorer for the specific cryptocurrency. You can also monitor your Kraken account for the arrival of your funds. Important notes. Double-check the address. Always double-check the deposit address before confirming any transaction. Sending to the wrong address can result in irreversible loss of funds. Network fees. Be mindful of network fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions. These fees vary depending on the network and current network congestion. Withdrawal limits. Kraken may have withdrawal limits in place. Ensure you are aware of any limits before attempting to withdraw funds. Security best practices. Only use the Kraken website or the official Kraken mobile app. Never share your Kraken account credentials or private keys with anyone. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced security. Tips for a smooth deposit experience. Use a reliable internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth and secure transactions. Choose the correct network. Some cryptocurrencies have multiple networks, e.g., Ethereum, Polygon. Ensure you are sending funds to the correct network. Consider deposit fees. Some exchanges may charge deposit fees. Check with your sending exchange for any applicable fees. Contact Kraken support. If you encounter any issues during the deposit process, contact Kraken support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.